Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two NOCO Boost car starters. So here I have the model number GB70 NOCO Boost HD. This is the model number GB40 on the right, NOCO Boost Plus. Now there is a size difference. So this has 2000 amps of cranking and this has 1000 amps of cranking. So you can see there is considerable size difference. Another difference is the GB70, the cables are permanently attached. So you're going to store the cables on these little clips, but on the side of here, they're permanently attached. Over here on the GB40, you're going to attach the cables. Open this up. This is the 12 volts out. You're going to connect this. This will only go one way, so you got to find the way. The arrow goes up. You got to make sure and push that all the way in. Now my cables are attached. I can attach them to the battery. Both of them work the same way. You're going to attach this to the car battery, the red to the positive, the black to the negative. Then you're going to turn the unit on. It does a little self-test, and then you're ready to go. Then if you need to override, they both have an override button. You're going to press this button and hold it. If your battery is really, really low and you're still not able to start it, you can go into override mode. And then that should hopefully help start it. Start your car. Once it's started, come over here, turn this off, disconnect the batteries, then you're ready to go. Again, here, this is bigger, but it's the same. As far as hook it up to the car, turn it on, little self-test, then go start your car, turn it off, you're ready to go. Disconnect it. You can also turn it on. That tells you the status of the battery inside here. So this one means it's fully charged. I can also override it. It's overrid, and now try to start it, turn it off. They both have a flashlight. Now the GB70 is quite a bit brighter, but this one's really nice too. And they both have the same modes of operation, dim, low, high, SOS, and strobe. This one's just going to be a lot brighter. Now they both come with a bag in order that you can hold everything in. The GB70 bag is bigger to hold it because it is bigger. They both come with a micro USB to USB-A cable. That's how both of these charge. Now the GB7's got two ways of charging it, which I'll show you, but they both charge with micro USB. And so you've got this USB-A out. You're simply going to plug it in here. So the GB40 only can charge with micro USB. Now you have to plug this into a wall charger, but it does have USB-A out. So if I want to charge an iPhone or something, I can plug a USB-A cable in there to an iPhone cable, and I could charge my iPhone with the battery that's inside here. Now the GB70 is a little bit different. Again, you can charge it with micro USB. Again, micro USB only goes one way. It has a long side and a short side. Make sure you line it up, plug it in. Now I can charge it up with a wall adapter. But I can also charge it up with this car adapter. It comes with this cable. Now this cable will serve two purposes. You can charge it, or you can have the car adapter, you can have 12 volts come out of the battery pack. So first let's show you how to charge it. And they got little arrows on here to show you. But I'm going to charge it with the car adapter. So this side, they'll only plug into one side. So plug this into your car. You can see the arrow, voltage is coming out. Then plug the other side of this into the DC in. Now I'm charging my unit with like another car or something. Get it all nice and charged up. But I also have a car adapter out. So take this side off. Now this is going to plug into the 12 volts out. And there's a little arrow. Now this same cable, now plug it into this adapter, and now I have car adapter out. So I could use some appliance or something that I have for my car. And then I also have USB-A out also. Again, these are permanently attached, 2000 amps of cranking. The 12 volt, let's go, the USB input is 5 volts, 2.1 amps, same with the output. The 12 volts input is 12 volts, 3 amps, but the 12 volts out is 12.8 at 15 amps. Let's check the GB40. 5 volts, 2.1 amps max, 12 volts, 1000 amps. That's for the cranking. Okay, let's measure size. GB70, it's almost 8.5 inches. And with the cables attached, it's about 7 inches, but the unit itself is about 4 inches. Thickness-wise, it's about 2 3/4, but with the cables about 3 inches. Now the GB40 again is quite a bit smaller, about 3 inches. by 6.5, and thickness wise about 1 3/4 inches. Let's go cable length. So that you get a maximum of about 15 inches with the GB40. You get a maximum length of about 12. Let's check the clamps that actually clamp onto. And the GB70 is wider, and it opens up wider also. So even with the same cable length or different cable lengths, you can see you get about the same reach. So if you need more cranking amps for maybe a bigger engine or maybe a smaller diesel engine, definitely get the GB70. And if you definitely need this car adapter, this is a really nice feature if you need this car adapter for in or out for the GB70. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.